Today let's get baking these delicious whole wheat flour cookies, absolutely crunchy and melt in the mouth. There is no baking soda or baking powder used in this recipe, just a few basic ingredients and you have this delicious melt in the mouth cookies. Let's take a look. In a wide bowl, take about 2 cups of whole wheat flour, half a cup of custard powder of any flavor, a pinch of salt. Sift all these powders so that you get a fine mixture and there are no lumps. Mix everything well using a spatula. Now add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. This gives you just the right amount of sweetness. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped cashew nuts, 1/4 cup of chopped almonds. Mix well. Now add half a cup of ghee to the flour. Give it a quick mix using a spatula. To this, add half a teaspoon of crushed cardamom powder. Now using your fingers, mix the ghee along with the flours. In the beginning, you will get a crumbly mixture like this. This means this requires more ghee. Add 1/4 cup more of the ghee. Bring it together into a nice smooth dough. Now grease a baking tray with ghee. Take a bit of the dough, roll it between your palms and slightly flatten it. Next, make patterns on the cookie dough. Now this is completely optional. You can even leave it as it is. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. Since every oven is different, check your cookies after about 10 minutes or so till they get a nice golden brown color. Enjoy these delicious and mouth-watering cookies with your evening cup of tea or coffee. Do try out this recipe and thank you.